Welcome back, children. So, children, in the various 7 parts, you all are well explained about lesson life processes. The lesson is well explained with various text slides, diagrams, and pictures. Okay, so now the part comes with the project. Today, no studies. Your studies, no studies. Okay, so today we will do some exciting and new thing, that is a project, and this will be your vacation assignment. And the vacation assignment you are getting for the project is the same chapter, chapter number 6, which is life processes. Okay, I will be giving you two projects. You have to choose from your own choice any one. Let me first explain you the topics of the project. Okay, any one topic from these life processes: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system. Means if you are choosing the topic from the life process, then you have to choose only one from these four topic. Okay, if you are choosing topic from here, then only one. Okay, this is your first topic, and the next option you have to choose is from amoeba. Okay, either from amoeba or from the various life process. In amoeba, if you are choosing, you have to show in your project, make different stages in the nutrition of amoeba. So when you are showing different stages of amoeba, you have to show digestion, ingestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Let me clear you all. Don't be confused. Your project which you have to choose either from these four, one from these four, or this means you have to make only one project. Either you make for amoeba or you make from any one of these topics. Clear, everyone? Now what you have to do, listen. You have to make a project with waste materials. Okay, you don't have to purchase anything from outside. All the waste material like old cloths, old buttons, any waste item of the kitchen, cotton, wire, thread, various things. Okay, you have to use all these items to make your project. Your project should be very neat, clean, and well labeled. So make any one diagram of one of your choice using various waste materials from your lesson life processes. Okay, if when you can use waste material and the diagram, the project which you have on which you have to make, you can use drawing sheet, you can use any thin waste cardboard, you can use scrapbook sheet, you can use handmade paper if it is available in your home with you. Now what you have to do, if you are making any one from life process, this is a project on excretory system. Here you can see a various type of thread, wires, beads are used, and see, here are some pieces of cloth, roll them and stick them. Okay, in this way you can use various items from your own choice, from your own way. Okay, and the another project which I will be showing you, here you can see a digestive system, but you have to label diagram. Without labeling, nothing is there in biology. Okay, if you don't label, your project is incomplete. Here also you can use, here you can see stick of wood, okay, a piece of wood has taken, paper piece have taken, some thread, wool thread have taken, okay. You can paste some cloth here and you can use some old beads here, okay. So here is an other example which I have shown you how you have to make your project. Clear? So either from digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, one, okay, only one. But if you are making nutrition in amoeba, stages of nutrition amoeba, you can see here, you all are having a old footrest at home. You can cut the pieces of footrest, okay, or you can cut the pieces of cardboard, thin cardboard, and you can stick some cloth paper in that using some beads and buttons showing the different stages of the amoeba. Now I hope you all are clear with the project. So your project is with waste materials. Make any one diagram of your own choice in whole, either of 4 life process or from amoeba. You have to make only one project using various waste material, okay. Now if you will make your project in a drawing sheet or in a scrap paper or in any other sheet, it will become thin, because your project, when you will put various waste material like cloth, bead, it will become heavy. So that sheet you can stick in a thin cardboard which will be available in your home only, okay. You have to search it, but don't purchase anything. So children, you all are understood about the project. This is your summer vacation and these project will contain marks for you in board exam. Saira.